watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
The modern farmhouse style blends the cozy, rustic charm of traditional farmhouse decor with contemporary elements, resulting in a space that feels both inviting and stylish. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking to refresh your bathroom, these ideas will help you achieve a beautiful and functional modern farmhouse bathroom that you'll love. Here are 53 inspiring ideas to get you started. Timber vanity elegance. Incorporate a large timber vanity, a tub, and a side table, complemented by urns with greenery, a rug, and a glazed wall for a cozy farmhouse feel. Stained wood accent wall. Opt for a chic modern country look with a stained wood wall, black tile accents, navy shaker-style cabinets, and black fixtures. Shiplap and mosaic tiles. Combine shiplap walls with a mosaic tile floor, placing a tub by the window and a fabric-covered vanity for a classic farmhouse touch. Contemporary mosaic. Use mosaic tiles on the floor, wood-inspired tiles in the shower, and add a large ladder for a contemporary farmhouse vibe. Neutral tiles and vintage vanity. Choose neutral tiles with top hex tiles on the floor, paired with a vintage vanity for a timeless look. Shiplap and boho rug. Create a cozy atmosphere with shiplap walls, a shower space, a vanity, a mirror, a tub, a wooden stool, and a boho rug. Concrete and light stained vanity. Design a grayish bathroom with concrete walls, a light stained vanity, a large mirror, a shower space with a black divider, and black fixtures. Vintage vanity and chandelier. Highlight a gray farmhouse bathroom with a large vintage vanity, a stone countertop, an oval tub, a chandelier, and vintage wall lamps. Monochromatic simplicity. Go for a laconic look with a black floor, marble tile walls, a timber vanity, a shower space, and a window. Subway tiles and clawfoot tub. Achieve a classic feel with a dark wooden floor, white subway tiles, a black clawfoot bathtub, and a window. Gilded touches. Design a light-filled farmhouse bathroom with a black vanity, gilded touches, white tiles, and lamps. Built-in shelves and timber vanity. Create a lovely modern farmhouse bathroom with built-in shelves, a timber vanity, an oval tub, and windows with stained frames. Zellage tiles and jute rug. Use neutral zellage tiles, a wall-mounted vanity, a jute rug, and baskets for storage. Terracotta and dark stains. Incorporate a Mediterranean farmhouse look with terracotta tile floors, a dark stained vanity, an oval tub, niche shelves, and greenery. Chevron tiles and gold fixtures. Combine white chevron tiles, dark stained beams, white appliances, gold fixtures, and large-scale tiles on the floor for a modern touch. Geotile and stain vanities. Opt for a modern cottage look with shiplap walls, a geotile floor, stained vanities, and a square tub by the window. Herringbone and hex tiles. Mix herringbone and hex tiles with an oval tub, a timber vanity, a wooden stool, a mirror, and decor. Mismatched tiles and woven lampshade. Use mismatched white tiles, a stained vanity, white appliances, black fixtures, and a woven lampshade for a unique look. Planked walls and penny tile. Design a modern country bathroom with white planked walls, a stained ceiling, a penny tile floor, white furniture, and appliances with black fixtures. Wooden vanities and modern tub. Finish with white planked walls, a hexagon tile floor, wooden vanities, and modern tub, and black fixtures for a balanced modern farmhouse aesthetic. By blending rustic elements with modern touches, you can create a space that's both functional and inviting. We hope these ideas inspire you to design a bathroom that reflects your personal style and offers a serene escape within your home. Enjoy the process of creating your perfect modern farmhouse bathroom.